Hello everybody, welcome back to Blue Code. Today, we're going to use a portfolio theme for our website. First things first, go to Add Themes and search for Arrival. Then, click on Arrival Me theme. Next, click on Import Demo, install, and activate the requirements. Now we have the portfolio theme ready. Click on Edit with Elementor. Turn on the Recreate Kit, and then click again on Edit with Elementor. With this editor, we can easily drag and drop elements and edit everything with no effort. To change a picture, right-click on the picture, select Section, then under Style, click on Choose Image. And just like that, you can edit every section of your site. Once you complete editing, click on Publish, and then click on View Page. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.